welcome back to an episode of Tuned Engines. I know it's been a super duper long time since my last episode. Been super busy and trying to basically get more project cars for y'all, which I'll be showing y'all later. But right now we came to Carshow, Beetle. You can actually hear the cars right behind me. But we went ahead and brought the 71 C10 with the 468 big block Chevy. 68 big block Chevy. We also went ahead and brought the 1971 Super Beetle, and we're gonna go ahead and hit in there, see what cars came and all that good stuff, record it, make a cool video for y'all guys. But also, as you saw, we brought the truck and the trailer not because it's broken, but because like the truck, like I've been driving it for a while, like it's averaging around 4 miles per gallon, guys. Jeez, racking up the bill with the gas money. So it's actually cheaper for us to like move around, like when we're going to events. But like we're driving around town and everything, it's really fun. But people look at it because it sounds super loud. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and head into the car show, guys, and see what cars pulled up. But yeah, I'll see you in the car show. the car show. Thanks for tuning in. As y'all saw, we were able to bring 2 cars to the car show. We brought the Beetle driving and the white truck on the trailer, but a bunch of people love the Beetle. They were freaking taking pictures with it all the time and all that. So I've been going paintballing a lot, and fishing and hunting. So let me know if y'all want to see videos of that, because we've been catching some giant fish. We've been freaking smoking people and paintballing.
What the fuck?
You're out. You're out. So yeah, let me know if y'all want to see more stuff like that, guys, because if y'all want to see stuff like that, I can go ahead and make another channel, or I can upload to this channel, because I have a bunch of footage. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more future content, and I'll see you all later.